Hello guys, today I'd like to introduce you this LED flashlight. These items also include one-piece charger, one-piece rechargeable battery. This is our company logo. And one-piece plastic box. This box has two colors to choose, gray color and black color. You can choose one as you like. And if you like, you can also customize your stickers. We can write your company logo or items information on it. Okay, now let's look at flashlight detail. This item is used one-piece CREET6 LED. This LED is the most famous brand in the world and in good quality. And the surface of this flashlight has some groove joint, so this flashlight is skid-proof. And you can see this flashlight is very small and very easy to carry it. Now let's put battery on it. Well done. Now let me show you how bright it is. Now print this switch. First mode is very bright, and if you want to change the mode, you only need to print lightly, like this. Second mode, third mode, fourth mode is flash, very fast flash, and the fifth mode is slow flash. Now let's close it. That's all. Thank you.